club, and that's how it looks like when you enter. They have provided all the snacks and coffee. There's even a dining room and all the open living space. That's the bar. The dining area here. We removed the wine bottle because we don't drink. Here we have this, and when you remove them here, there's an outdoor shower here, and this place open up pool and sitting area where you can spend time with your family, and it's just for the preferred members. I'll show you in your bed. So from here I want to show you that's the front dining room here, and this side goes to the side of the back door, and there's an extra washroom here. And when you go from here, that's the master bed. And from here, from the bedroom, you can watch TV. From here, I want to show you from this side. This room is actually pretty big. That's a sitting area, and here I'll show you a bit. That's the side of the backyard that I just showed you, and this side is actually for the its whole privacy, just like you will have in your home. The deck area for mom and dad or the grown-ups. You can drop your kids off at the kids club, and with the pool area. They come to clean your pool every morning. It's back there for you to enjoy and relax. There's want to sit outside and eat, some sun loungers, and there's this huge parabola on our heads. See? Main living room entrance to come out. And if you go here, all gravel pathway. So this is your pool. Look how beautiful it is with your own. And here is all the area. Pool, you come here, take out your shower, and after using the pool, obviously you can use the outdoor shower and then go clean inside. I really love this. I'm gonna show you from this side, like this. From here, that door. So you open it up. Have a rain shower. I will show you. They have have the handle one. This. So I'll show you here. That side. Here we have a safe for you and extra pillow. Look at that corner. Let me show you this. And there's one more bedroom that I want to show you. Look at that. Okay, there's another bedroom here. That's the shower area, and that's the kids' washroom. Same like the master bedroom one. It has this mirror, some extra. And there's these extra toiletries that they give you. It has this vanity kit, shave kit, and dental kit. And that is mosquito repellent. That's nice. I've never seen any resort or hotel giving this mosquito repellent. It's really nice. And that's kids TV from here. And if you go here to the preferred members family pool, which is like kind of lazy, where I put extra video on it, and there are the other rooms which are not included in the preferred club. And here, they take you everywhere on a golf cart. So you just ask your butler to arrange a golf cart for you, and they will take you everywhere. Look how beautiful the weather is. It's around 29-30 degrees here. That's how you go. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. For right now, signing off here.